Good afternoon, everyone. In today's lecture, I will discuss the difference between MIS and DSS. I already had discussed this topic in previous lecture also. The topic was MIS versus DSS. Now I will continue with few points more. I already discussed MIS means Management Information System. DSS means Decision Support System. So I discussed the theory part yesterday. MIS is a system which is used for decision making. Similarly, DSS is a system which is also used for decision making. But the difference is MIS supports structured decision making, DSS supports unstructured or semi-structured decision making. I already told the meaning of structured decision making means. Structured means the decision which are well defined and well described in detail. Unstructured means the decision which are not well defined and described in details. So there was the theory part yesterday. Now I will discuss the points also for difference between the two. Here you can see MIS. In MIS, the first point, an information system that evaluates, analyzes and processes an organization's data to produce meaningful and useful information based on which management can take right decisions. DSS, an information system that supports business or organizational decision making activities. So the difference is MIS also produces decision making, DSS also support decision making, but the difference is MIS does many work other also, like evaluation, analysis, processing also. Second one, MIS supports structured decision making. I already discussed yesterday. DSS supports unstructured or semi-structured decisions. Third, MIS provides information to support internal operations. DSS supports information to support specific situations. This is the main difference also. MIS is used for regular basis, for routine basis. It is used for internal operations. For every kind of operations are done by MIS, means Management Information System supports every kind of operations. But for specific situation, for spatial decision making, we use DSS. This is the difference between the two. Next, MIS uses a large volume of data as the input and gives a summarized report as the output. DSS uses low volume data. Yes, this is the difference. MIS uses large data. DSS uses low volume of data as input and gives a decision analysis as the output. Next, MIS focuses on operational efficiency. DSS focuses on making effective decisions. Last, MIS is used by middle and lower level management. It is important one. Note down everyone. MIS is used by middle and lower level. As there are three levels of management, I already discussed. There are three levels of management as top level, middle level, lower level. Among the three, MIS is used by middle and lower level management, and DSS is used by senior managers, means top level management and analysis. This is the topic for today. Next I will discuss tomorrow. Okay everyone, thank you for today.